Well, hello, friends, and welcome to Circle Time. It's Mrs. Mozingo here, and it is time to get started. And let's start off by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. So let's stand up, right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Oh, let's get that out of there. So let's take a look here. It is the 4th day of May, which means it is May the 4th. And if you are a Star Wars fan like I am, you know this is Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. And that's because it's the May the 4th be with you. So I know in my house we'll be watching Star Wars all day. It'll be playing in the background as we do whatever needs to be done. So very excited about that. So let's sing about what day of the week it is, because we know it's May the 4th, but what day is it? Are you ready to sing with me? All right, let's sing it. Here we go. Let's snap. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday.
Come on, you can see me louder than that.
There's Friday and then there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. All right, and today is the 4th day, so it is Monday, May 4th, 2020. And again, May the 4th be with you. Let's go ahead and check the weather. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Is it sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? It is cloudy out there, and I heard later on it's supposed to get quite windy. So let's see if that's right. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction and put it right here in our prediction square. What are we thinking? I heard someone say sunny weather, and I hope that's right. Some sun out there. Let's say our alphabet together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Super. Let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you know what I just remembered? Last time I had set up some flowers down here. There they are. And these flowers, I was going to make a pattern with them. So I was going to put this one right here. And then I was going to grab this blue one and put it up here. And if I do what is called an A-B pattern, which repeats, that means I'm going to have this flower right here. And am I going to have my pink or blue on my Star Wars day for today? Blue. Yeah, blue flower on May the 4th. So we have a pattern. Red, blue, red, blue. So what's going to be tomorrow for the 5th? I'll have to see and wait and find out. Let's scoot on back to where we were. We're counting backwards from 10, and here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's see. Who can help me find orange? Find something that is orange. Yes, it is our fish. Glub, 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 glub. How about a shape? Let's take a look and find the triangle. Where's the triangle? There it is. What color is our triangle? Orange. That's right. All right. Our nursery rhyme this week is This Old Man. So we're going to sing along, Show Me One. And it starts off. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me two. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me three. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me four. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me five. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me six. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me seven. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me eight. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me nine. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Show me 10. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man went rolling home. Whew, that was a lot. And it's time to look at some money. All right, let's look at this money here. What is this one? Penny. And this one is a dime. How about this one right here? What is it? A quarter. And this one is a nickel. Very good. I think we know those now. This is what number? 7. This one? 1. What number is that? 9. This one? 4. 10. 6. 2. 8. 5. 3. Our letter this week, it's time to build. Whoops. Let's go ahead and get started with our letter. So this week we don't actually have one letter, we have a bunch of letters. So if you have your Mr. Matt out, or a piece of paper and crayon or pencil, you can practice making or writing your letters, whatever you choose. So if you need to go get them, just pause the video and go get something to either write with or get your Mr. Matt pieces and let's build some letters. Let's start off with the letter L. The very first letter we learned how to make. How do you make the letter L? Big line down. Then what? Little line at the bottom. Yes. Get that little line turned. So we say, starting at the top, big line down, little line across at the bottom. Now we want to make the letter F. We take the little line and put it at the top. Can you make the letter F for me? And let's grab another little line and put it in the We put it at the bottom? No. We put it in the middle. And make the letter F. What does F say? Do you remember? Bite that lip and push that air through. To make the letter E, we need another little line. Let's grab it, turn it, and put it at the bottom. And there's the letter E. E says eh, eh, eh. Excellent. Let's clear off our board. And let's make the letter T. Now T is a center starter. So I'm going to grab our star and put it in the middle. And we'll grab a big line down. Right in the middle. Frog jump up. A little line across the top. Excellent. To make the letter I, we need to put a little line across the bottom. Make the letter I. Super job, friends. All right, how about if we make the letter H? Letter H, we start off by giving us, oops, off our board. Get that Mr. Math smiling face back over here. And H, we start under Mr. Math's smiling face with a big line down. We grab another big line we put on the other side of our board, or at least close to the other side. Then we're going to grab a little line and put it in the middle. And we've made the letter H. Big line down, frog jump over, big line down, little line across the center. That was our letter H. And then we moved on to U. Remember how to make the letter U? Grab it. I can grab it. There it comes. Here's letter U. We say big line down, turn, big line up. One more time. Fingers at the top. Big line down, turn, big line up. Excellent. All right, tomorrow we're going to practice some more letters. As we're all done making and learning our letters, we know how to write them all right. It's going to be moving on to numbers next week. So this week we're going to just practice and review all the letters of the alphabet. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, to continue that practice. And again, may the 4th be with you. Bye, everyone. I miss you. Have a great day.